Tycoons? This is Tycoon Leon, and this is Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, we have a lot of people that love to do fundamental analysis on different stocks. They love to see what the numbers are, the balance sheet, things like that. So, in a Think or Swim, you can utilize the Analyze tab. So we're going to go to the Analyze tab and then go to Fundamentals to make it a lot easier for us, okay? So this is what we can use when we're looking at companies like Apple. So up here is where you would type in, let's say NVIDIA. You would type in whatever ticker for whatever company, and it will give you all the information, all the fundamentals for that specific company, okay? So as you can see for NVIDIA, we have the research team over here. We have all the the street market edge, everything right here that you need. You can also download it if you choose to. All right, you can download it and you can view it bigger right here. We have the company profile, exactly what the company is, and if you scroll down, they'll give you the numbers either by annual or quarterly numbers. Okay. So you can do annual or quarterly numbers and you can see them all right here, 2022, and then all 4 quarters of 2023. It'll give you the 5 quarter trend right here. A lot of great information. As you can see, it'll give you earnings per share, dividends per share, book value per share, everything that you need for fundamental analysis. Okay. So all of that information is right here. And then when you scroll down a little more, it'll give you a lot more company details with highlights if it's a potential upside or downside. It'll give you key trends, and then if you scroll down even more, it'll break down the market cap for the actual stock for you. Okay, so this market cap right here, let's say we click on here and it will give you a forecast for that specific division. Okay, so let's say we go to Apple. Apple's a little more diverse. When we scroll down for the breakdown, we have the iPhone, we have the services, we have the Apple Watch, TV, and accessories, and so on and so forth. Okay. So if we just click on iPhone, which is 43.4% of the market cap, you'll see that we can click to see what the forecast is for that division will be. Okay. So we can actually see that and we can get a description if we choose to. All right. So this is a good resource that you can use. Let's say Apple Watch. Boom. Same thing. All right. So this is a great resource that you can use for doing your fundamental analysis. That way you don't have to do um, any of those equations. Everything is already right here. And if you choose to, we have the information right here for you in ThinkOrSwim. So you see the growth rates right here. You can do you have everything right here that you need. Okay. So once again, that will be under analyze and then go to fundamentals. All right.